When you list products on Amazon, you choose how each item will be fulfilled. One option is Fulfillment by Merchant, or FBM. With FBM, you manage storage and shipping yourself. You can handle fulfillment directly, work with a trusted partner, or take advantage of Amazon's shipping carrier solutions. FBM can be a great fit if you prefer to manage your own fulfillment, sell large or slow-moving items, or already have a strong logistics setup in place. You can use FBM for your entire catalog or combine it with Fulfillment by Amazon FBA. For example, you might use FBM for items that need special handling or custom packaging, and FBA for products that benefit from Amazon's storage and delivery network. You can adjust your approach anytime as your business grows. FBM allows you to sell to customers both domestically and internationally, giving you control over shipping fees for each region. To ensure your shipping rules and fees are applied correctly before orders start coming in, navigate to Settings and update your shipping settings using shipping templates. Here's how FBM works. First, decide where you'll keep your inventory, whether that's your own space, a warehouse, or a fulfillment partner. Make sure they're organized and ready to ship quickly. When a customer places an order, you'll pick, pack, and ship the item by the promised delivery date. Once you ship, customers should obtain their tracking information to track their delivery every step of the way. As an FBM seller, you need to meet Amazon's performance standards. This includes maintaining a low order defect rate, shipping orders on time, and providing valid tracking for your shipments. These metrics help ensure customers have a reliable shopping experience. If you consistently meet these requirements and can deliver orders quickly, you may qualify for Seller Fulfilled Prime. This program allows your offers to display the Prime badge without sending your products to Amazon's fulfillment network. You can choose FBM in two ways. The first is during listing creation. When you create a new product listing, select Fulfilled by Merchant as your fulfillment method. The second way is by updating an existing SKU. If your product is already listed, you can switch the fulfillment method to FBM at any time under your offer settings. Once orders start coming in, prepare shipping labels through the Manage Orders page. Amazon offers tools to help you purchase shipping labels from major shipping carriers at discounted prices. Or you can purchase shipping labels externally from the carrier or through other shipping solutions. If you purchase shipping labels somewhere else, confirm the shipment and provide tracking IDs on Seller Central. When preparing packages, make sure each package can withstand a 3-foot drop on any side or corner to reduce damage-related customer complaints. Use the Account Health Dashboard and Fulfillment Insights Dashboard under the Manage Seller Fulfilled Products page to track key metrics like on-time delivery rate, valid tracking rate, and cancellation rates. Review your Voice of the Customer dashboard regularly for feedback trends. You have the option to manage returns and customer service yourself or delegate it to Amazon by enrolling into Customer Service by Amazon. If you are handling returns and customer service, track your returns on the Manage Returns page and respond to all customer messages within 24 hours to maintain customer satisfaction. FBM gives you control, flexibility, and the ability to tailor fulfillment to your business. By managing inventory, shipping, and returns effectively, you can provide a great experience for customers and grow your Amazon business with confidence. Visit Seller University for other resources on FBM strategies and best practices.